Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun short video to share with you. Fingers crossed it's going to be short. But today I have a few PR packages that I thought it would be fun to unbox with you. And I also have one small Sephora purchase. I thought this would be a quick and fun haul to share with you guys. That way you get to see all these goodies but in just a few minutes. And maybe soon we'll be able to do some more as well. But I do have 3 really fun packages. I can't wait. But first, let me just show you guys what I got at Sephora. So they've had a Memorial Day sale going on. And these are some things that I saw that really caught my eye. I only got 3 things, but these to me were the best deals on some of my favorite things. So first I got the Glam Glow Galactic Cleanse. Lately I've been getting a lot of Glam Glow cleansers in boxes and gratis and purchasing, and I'm really excited about it because I do love their cleansers. So this is the actual tube. It's really cool looking. So this one is more of like a jelly balm cleanser. So I'm going to try this out for removing makeup and see how it goes. This smells so amazing. If you smell any of their moisturizers that smell kind of like a creamsicle, that's what this smells like too, and I can definitely use more of that smell in my life. So that is the first thing that I got, and that was on sale for $16, so I felt like that was a steal. The other 2 things that I got are both glosses. So these are the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea H2O glosses. I actually have one on today. I just did my makeup and used the shade Zipline. I actually used it over MAC's Kinda Sexy. So this little combo gave me like this salmon coral kind of look on the lips. I'm really liking it. So that's that. I decided to pick up 2 shades. They only had certain shades on sale, so I basically just looked at which ones I didn't have and the on sale ones to see what would be my top choices. These are both really bright, fun colors for summer. So there they are side by side, like a bright orangey red and then a bright fuchsia. So the red shade is called Resort Life. I wish I was at a resort right now. They're not completely opaque, but they've got a lot of pigment to them. And for a gloss, I think these are so nice. They're hydrating and they stay on pretty well for a gloss. I would say they're not entirely non-sticky, but they are more to me on like the creamy, comfortable side and not super sticky. This next one is called Maui, which is this like fuchsia magenta shade. So there they are again, side by side. Love these glosses. Definitely one of my all-time favorite gloss formulas. I really love these. I wanted to get the Tarte Turtle. They have, if you are interested to see what it looks like, it's so cute, but it's so expensive. They have it's called See the Change, and it's a big sea turtle. It has all the glosses in it. Like, that would be so nice for me, but now I have bought several of them. So these were half off. They were $9.50, so I felt like this was a really good deal considering that I think I paid full price for a few of those shades. So that is it for my little Sephora haul, and now we'll jump into my boxes. Okay, so the first thing on top is from Juju Lips. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out this device. I'm going to be using this in a video soon, but I thought I would just pop this in here so that you guys could see what it's like. So if you haven't seen one of these in options, stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you can be notified when I upload a video using this. This is the box right here. All right, so this is the actual device. That is the mouthpiece, your little button. So essentially you just apply some balm, you get a good seal around the lips, and then you just let the device work for about 60 seconds. You relax your lips. It basically brings all the blood flow into your lips and it gives you a plumper pout. So we will see how that works. And the most exciting part is it says that this will actually keep your lips plumper longer the more you use it. So they might go like back down to normal size your first treatment or several treatments, but then it actually works to give you more plump lips over time. So I am super excited to try that out. I'm so grateful that they wanted to send me that. I am very eager to see what the results are and then share it with you guys and let you guys know what I think. The next little box is from Nug. So Allie with Nug reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out some of their products. I of course was like, heck yes, I want to try everything out. Wrote the absolute cutest note. I'm definitely going to keep that. And she had to mention my little fur babies. She was like, I think it's so cute that you have your cat's Instagram. And I'm like, but of course, they're the best, right? So this is my little box of goodies. Just sent a few things to try. So the first thing is the Deep Clean Cleansing Gel Mask with cucumber, jojoba oil, and aloe. So it's like a little little cleanser there. These would be great to travel with. Then we have the Aqua Boost Hydrating Gel Mask. Oh, so it's a cleansing gel mask. I'm sorry, I didn't read that properly the first time. It's a cleansing gel mask, so that's cool. And then we also have the Aqua Boost Hydrating Gel Mask with camellia seed oil, spirulina, and aloe. So again, a little guy like this. Very cute. Okay, next we have the Face and Sleep Mask, hydrating and radiance boosting with watermelon and hyaluronic acid. Oh my god, it says that this guy is 35 plus applications. What? How cute is that packaging? So it says this is 96% natural ingredients, no mineral oil, parabens, sulfates, fragrance, or colors. Thank you. I am so over fragrance and skincare. Apply on clean face. Evenly and gently pat into skin, leave on overnight, rinse in the morning. Also great to use in the morning as a moisturizer, suitable for daily skin types. 35 plus applications, that's crazy. So this will actually last you like a month, and it is like full to the brim too. I'm excited. So I wonder if this could be like a dupe for the watermelon sleeping mask. That would be interesting. So yeah, watermelon and hyaluronic acid. I am so down to try that out. Then I have their Happy Lips Cocoa Shine Lip Balm. Crazy enough, I've never tried their lip balm out. I've seen them so many times and I'm just like, oh, I should try that, and never have. So I'm definitely so excited to do that. And then this is the Miracle Mud Super Detox Treatment Mask with kaolin clay, charcoal, zinc, and vitamin C. So this one's good for pore refining. Definitely excited to try that out too. So thank you so much to Nook for sending me these goodies. We've got one more box to open, and this is from Yes2. So I'm so excited to get into this one. All right, look how cute. It's all neatly packaged. So I haven't even seen what all is in this one. I know they have some new products coming out. Oh, wow. Okay, so first I see the Yes2 Grapefruit Brightening for Dull and Uneven Skin Vitamin C Glow Boosting Unicorn Transforming Clay Cleanser. Wow. It's a long name, but look how cute this packaging is. Ooh, so cute. It says you know you're fully clean when the formula changes from pink to yellow. Rinse with warm water, and it says it will remove makeup as well. And it says like start to finish. It shows you the color change. Yay! They also sent a cute little card. Oh, look at this. Spencer's Sugar Shop. Look at this little lollipop they put in there. Also have the Yes2 Grapefruit Vitamin C Glow Boosting Unicorn Peel Off Mask, which comes in a tube. This is really cool. So it actually has an applicator built in. How fun is that? I'm gonna film a little Instagram video with these later on tonight after I remove my makeup. So I'm very excited, and it's an iridescent pink formula. This looks so cool. Looks like they sent a couple extra little goodies. They sent the Yes2 Grapefruit Vibrancy Boosting Vitamin C Brightening and Refreshing Dry Shampoo Wipe. That's really cool. Getting to the root of it all with grapefruit and vitamin C for clean looking, refreshed, and vibrant hair on the go. Wow, that's really cool. I can't wait to try that. And then we've got a few more goodies. The Vitamin C Glow Boosting Bubble Paper Mask. That looks fun. And then we have the Vitamin C Glow Boosting Mud Mask and Peel Off Mask. So two more little masks in here. Thank you so much for sending me all these goodies. This is so cute. Yay! Okay, I'm so excited to try everything out. I've got a lot of goodies to play with, so let me know if you want to see any of these in a video. I'm definitely going to be doing some Instagram things, and like I said, I will try out the Juju Lips as well. So that's everything I got recently. I know this was kind of a short video, but I hope you guys still enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave me a big thumbs up if you like these type of videos, and I will do my best to continue doing them. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell before you go so you know every time I upload. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!